So right now, many schools are trying to create multi-tiered systems of support, and there's a big question mark of where UDL fits in. But a multi-tiered system of support is how do we ensure that students get the support they need in addition to having equitable access and opportunities to learn grade-level curriculum. And so UDL has to be the foundation of a multi-tiered system. It has to be first best instruction with all students present. And if it's not, we're going to be trying to intervention our way out of weak tier 1, which is never going to work. So when we create multi-tiered systems, we focus on what needs to change in the system as far as the competency of educators, what implementation drivers do we need, like scheduling and curriculum, and how do we redefine leadership so that the focus is on creating an environment that allows every single student, regardless of variability, to be successful while learning together. And in this book, we explain how to do just that.